Hey Monopoly Go fans, got a friend who's inactive? Or maybe just you want to clean up your friend list? No worries. Today I'll show you how to delete friends in Monopoly Go in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open Monopoly Go and tap on the friend icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you will see three options: Add Friends, Timeline, and Leaderboard. Tap Leaderboard. This is where you will see all your in-game friends. Find the friend you want to remove. If you have long list, use the source bar to find them quickly. Found them. Now tap on their profile. You will see three dots. Tap it and remove will pop up. Tap it. If you are sure you want to remove your friend, tap remove and boom, they are gone. Your friend list will be updated instantly. If your friend is still showing, close and reopen the app to refresh it. And that's it. Super easy, right? Now you can manage your friend list like a pro. If this video helped, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Monopoly Go tricks.